Okay, here we have a 2002 Mercedes C230. Customers complaining about the battery light, charging light, ABS light on, shifting's not so great, and then now the vehicle won't start. So most of the time when this happens, if you're getting codes with the ABS module or no communication with some of the modules in the system, some of the computers, you have basically a power problem. The modules aren't getting powered. So first thing you should check is the fuses and relays. And usually on these C230s, they have a problem with the relay and fuse box. Now if you take a look over here, you can see where all the fuses are. They're down in here, and the relays. And this basically distributes the power to all the computers, and the charging system, the alternator, starter, ignition system, comes out of this box right here. So if you have symptoms where your battery light's on, you're not charging, you're not starting, usually this is the problem. The fuse box looks like this. And then as you can see on the circuit board, you can see all that corrosion right there. And this is right here is where the board gets messed up and it causes communication problems and your car won't start. So I found this fuse box on eBay. It cost about 150 bucks. I paid for the warranty for 1 year. It was like an extra 20 bucks. I'm not sure how much they cost from the dealer, or even if they still have them. Sometimes older vehicles parts become obsolete. A lot of parts with Mercedes, especially computers, are married to the vehicle. So you can't buy them off eBay because they're for a different C230. Like you can't buy one that's married to another vehicle, put it in your car. Sometimes it won't start, sometimes you'll get weird faults that you can't be cleared. So that's more like with the engine control module, transmission control module, and the ABS module. Those types of modules tend to be married to the vehicle. So if you buy a brand new one, the dealer has to upload the software into the computer to marry it to that car in order for it to even work. So we got lucky with stuff like fuse boxes, some other parts. We can buy them off eBay and just plug and play and they'll tend to work. So in order to do this job, you have to remove the cowling, the wiper blades, the wiper motor, and then you put the hood up into service position, which comes all the way up like this. And then there's 3 bolts for the fuse box, and then you can just pull the whole fuse box right out. And then you just unplug the bottom of it and plug the new one in, put it back, and that should solve your issue with charging lights, no starts, ABS lights, and that kind of stuff. So thought that'd be a helpful video. We installed that one. Car's fine now. Customer's very happy. Didn't have to buy the part from the dealer, so everything went well.